Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Pretty choppy day at the end of the day, right, today. You have to look out for that. I'm gonna show you guys the one trade that was possible today for me. Um, Left shoulder, head, and then on this right shoulder, you had a microstructure of a head and shoulder as well, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then all the way down. Pretty good trade here that I was able to take. I actually also did test out hedging, delta hedging here. Um, and I did catch a trade at exactly at 12:07, and it worked out perfectly for me on this trade, my delta hedge. But for then I also tried delta hedging right here, and I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure it was the delta that was destroying my positions. I was negative on both of my calls and puts. I don't know what happened, but definitely decay of some sort. But I want to definitely have find someone that knows about the strategies, because when you're sizing up, you want to make sure that you are protecting yourself from both sides, right? Like if you're putting at least 6 figures in, you want to protect yourself from both sides, if that makes sense. Because you're playing with bigger money there. So yeah, and then you just have to realize, to get a continuation, we need to close a cup, right? Or if we are headed down, we need to break below the teal, right? But neither of that happened. We just stayed in this range, right? So you have to call it a day early today. Um, so what are we looking at on the 30-minute, right? You can see the left shoulder here, head here. Um, we can see a double top here, right? And then head down, right? It all depends tomorrow. Or we can close this cup right here, have some sort of a handle, right? And then move up. It all depends. So tomorrow we should see a definitive answers. But so I didn't really want to make a video, but it's whatever. But yeah, look out for a double top possibly, right? Or even um, a cup that completes and a handle, right? So don't have a confirmed bias as of yet, right? And even if we have a double top breakdown, right, we can grab liquidity from here, right? And then eventually close this inverse cup right here, reject off a 5 day, right? And then possibly close this cup right here as well. Depends where the market wants to grab liquidity, right? Um, so yeah, look out for that. Pretty good way down. But again, if you're headed up, right? If you want to be confirmed bullish, right? You want to wait for the cup to close at 572, right? Some sort of handle, right? And then move up, right? Right. So yeah, so that's what we should look out for. But today you should have noticed this chop and how we were tapering at the range, right? Right here, right here, we were tapering. Same thing here, right? So you should have noticed that unless we built some good liquidity and bounced off, right? Then that's the only possible way you should take a trade with a good risk to reward, right? But if you're taking calls up here, it's not a good risk to reward unless we break above yellow, right? And have some sort of structure here and then move up, right? So let's see if we do build that liquidity. If to take a trade either tomorrow, we need to open higher, or to be bullish, right? We need to open higher or just drop a little, right? Build the liquidity and then head up, right? But if we are headed down, right, we're gonna see the rejection off of yellow, then close the cup, inverse cup right here, right? And then we have more to close right here, and then closing the inverse cup right here, right? And then grabbing another liquidity right here, right? Rejecting off of 5 day. 5 day should be around here, 566 level tomorrow. So yeah, look out for that. Pretty good setups, right? But see you guys tomorrow.